What are you working on?
I have to write an article.
Speak up, what?
I have to write the Cedar Brook article for my newspaper.
Writing an article for your newspaper?
Yeah.
When's the newspaper coming out? Speak up.
I don't know, like the 15th or something?
How long is that? 2 weeks? 1.5 weeks? Over there. Let me see what you made. What is that, an elephant?
A giraffe.
John, what did you make?
Also a giraffe.
It's a giraffe?
Yeah.
Looks like barbecue chicken.
Dad, what's wrong with you?
So how was class? Good?
Yep.
Did we fire her or no?
No.
Okay, all right. Then get on your mat. Give us your one tip. What's your tip with Scrabble wood?
Well, I have a tip. The tip is kind of you don't want to have a hard word in like a word like this here.
Let's see, move your hand.
You don't want that there, otherwise.
It gets hard to what? Hard to build off it?
Yeah. And
Well, this is the thing with Scrabble is that you can't control what other people do. That's why I like bananagrams better.
My number one tip for Scrabble is if you get
Wait,
zygomorphic,
what is this right here? What is puffed?
you know, like the Stay Puft Marshmallow Man.
Oh boy. That's minus points for that.
What? You're telling me that's not a word?
It's not a word. And what's bola
it's
again?
It's a triple letter school.
What's bola again?
Bola is an Australian weapon.
An Australian weapon.
Ha ha ha! So funny.
Can you say something in Australian? Good day, mate. Can you say that quickly?
Good eye, mate.
Good day, mate. All right, thanks. All right, we're in Manhattan. Can you read that? More than $350. Judgment. They're not paying their parking tickets. Stop. All right, you're on. Say it again. What do you have?
I have the innocent kid.
The innocent kid. Isn't that a contradiction?
Do we have paintbrushes? Do those work?
The angry dada.
Angry dada. It's redundant.
And the fat mama.
Oh, we
Fat
ordered the
mama.
watercolor.
Mama's not fat.
Fat
We didn't get the other one?
She's well
I'm not sure. Let
marbled.
me see them.
No, it's not based on you guys. Well, here, take a look at mine. Oh, I made the same thing as Christina. Instead of having the happy family in pink, I have two Eskimos and a skier right there.
What do you make it with?
Pastels.
Do you print it out in the printer?
No, pastels.
All right, looks pretty good.
I've always been using artists.
So right now I'm fixing up some bad audio from a gig on Fiverr.
Okay, now this purple here is what?
That's all bad stuff. So now I'm going to use an effect to.
Which effect?
This one's called where is it? Hiss reduction.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it on high. Okay. I'm going to apply. So after that's done, I'm gonna listen to it and see what it sounds like now. Still unintelligible, but it's definitely a step up.
Okay, keep at it. Alright, we're doing the grind here, dropping the kids off at dance. I got a new magnet on my, I got this new magnetized iPhone holder. So I got my phone pointing right at me. It's plugged into, I don't know, it's hanging on the vent. I got the really cheap one from Amazon. And actually I put the magnet on the back, and there was a little bit of a, it was a pretty big fail the first go around. Let's see, is it shaking? It was a pretty big fail the first go around because the phone kept basically falling off, and I don't need to spend $6 on a magnet to have a $600 or whatever iPhone costs to replace, fall down and shatter the screen at my foot, so there's that. But I gotta be careful here, I'm very against people texting while they're driving and all that other stuff, but I need this phone a lot for GPS, and when it's sitting down beside me here, I have to keep looking down. That's not safe either, so this is better, and I think it'll keep you out of trouble with the cops too, because if you think about it, I'm just pushing buttons on this thing, almost like it was a radio dial. I mean, how are they going to get you for using your cell phone? And it's not even all about the cops, but it's definitely safer to not be using one hand to hold it. You're being less distracted by the process of being addicted to your phone. All right, I'm going to pause this here. Natto, N-A-T-T-O. It's fermented soybeans, and if you could smell it through YouTube, you would puke. It's slimy. Oh, it stinks. And I'm gonna eat it because my brother said it's good for me. It's got vitamin B, K12 or something in it. All right, stop it. I'll throw up later.